All right, so I'm Russell Quick. I'm a regional manager for OMG in the Mid-Atlantic region. So this is the RhinoTrac Tool. So basically there's two versions of this tool. There's a RhinoTrac version that puts down a PVC and a TPO coated RhinoBond plate. And then also we have the AccuTrac version that just puts down the square steel insulation plate. So this tool will drive a fastener up to 8 inches in length. You can use a number 12, a number 14, or a number 15 fastener inside. The tool itself will hold 100 plates. So you just drop one screw in, drive it. That's it. Yeah, and so the good thing about the tool is it drives the plate and the fastener consistently every time, so you don't have to worry about overdriving or underdriving a plate, and that's really important when you're doing a TPO or PVC coated plate, because when you're using RhinoBond, you're actually welding the bottom of the membrane to the top of the plate, so you want that plate to sit tall and proud on top of that insulation. So